Start by fitting the M10 insert into the square holes in the trolley chassis. Insert the component through the trolley base from above, ensuring that the clips are facing downwards. These should clip into place easily, however you may find it easier to use a flathead screwdriver. Next, slot the MDF deck into place and insert the M5 bolts into the 4 pre-drilled holes in the trolley deck. After inserting the bolts, turn the trolley chassis onto its side and secure the bolts using the M5 nylock nuts. Tighten these using an 8mm spanner. Now it's time to fit the castors to the trolley chassis. It's important to remember to fit both swivel brake castors at the same end of the trolley. To fit the castors, simply line up the caster fixing plate with the 4 M10 inserts we installed earlier. Attach using M10 bolts which came supplied with the castors. Tighten these using a 17mm spanner. If you're intending to install loop handles to your trolley base, then please leave out 2 of the M10 bolts from each caster plate. These bolts need to be left out as the loop handle will need to be installed first. Assembly videos for all of the trolley configurations can be found using the QR code printed on the assembly instructions. These are included in the handle carton.